Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to easily change your language on PayPal mobile app. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on the PayPal official website. So it's actually pretty simple to change your language on your PayPal account. So here's how to change the language. Just go to settings, click edit beside language, select your preferred language, and that's about it. Keep in mind that you might not see the language you chose until the next time you log in into your PayPal account. The PayPal website and the emails you receive from us will be in your selected language. So just go to settings and do it. So on a business account it's a bit different. So here's how to change the language on a business account. So just go to account settings, click account preferences on the left, click update beside preferred language, click edit, select your preferred language. Like before, the PayPal website and the emails you receive from us from them will be in your selected language. So this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.